Hi guys! This week I wanted to share with you guys how to make one of the trickiest slime textures, clear slime. Clear slime is intimidating, but it's actually really simple to make. This recipe only has one ingredient and produces the perfect, thick, crystal clear slime. Now let's get on to the video. First up, here are all the supplies you will need. Starting off with the main attraction, you'll need clear glue. I recommend using Elmer's bottles because I find they're the clearest. You'll also need a completely clean mixing bowl and a non-stick mixing utensil. Borax. I'm using some packets I got with some of my slime packages that I ordered in the past, but you only really need 1 teaspoon. In this video, I'm going to be doubling my activator batch here. A 1 cup measuring cup to make your activator, and a mug to mix your activator in. And last but not least, of course, you're going to need a container. For clear slime, I recommend using the shallowest container you have because the thinner the slime lays, the easier it will be for all the bubbles to rise out of the slime and for it to clear up. But any airtight container will work, it'll just affect how fast your slime clears up. Step 1 is prepping your activator. If you watched any of my other recipe videos, you know the drill. Combine 1 cup of hot boiling water to 1 teaspoon of borax. Ratio stays the same for all slimes, but if you want to make bigger batches like I am, all you have to do is double it. The key is to make sure that you fully dissolve your borax in the water though. If you don't dissolve all the granules, the slime will end up chunky. Once fully dissolved, put it off to the side, and now we can get on to making the slime. Clear slime is the simplest recipe. The only ingredient that you need is glue itself. But the part where clear slime gets tricky is when you have to take care of it. While you make clear slime, you want to make sure that the bowl and tools you're using are completely clean so that no dust or dirt gets on the slime. And that also goes for your hands and the workstation you are mixing or playing with your slime on. Add in the activator 1 teaspoon at a time and mix it until it appears chunky. Unlike white glue, clear glue reacts way faster, so you have to go in with your hands a lot earlier. When it's in this state, you have to make sure that you knead out all of the strings. It takes a while and is why a lot of people don't like making clear slime. After kneading it for about 10 minutes, the slime will become really stiff but a lot smoother. But that's actually okay because we're going to let the slime sit in its container to clear up for about a week. Right now, a lot of air bubbles are trapped in the slime, but after waiting about a week, the air bubbles will rise out of the slime. The slime will also melt down from the heat, so it'll be a crystal clear slime with a nice thick consistency. I like to keep my clear slimes by a window during this period, just so that the sun can hit it and it will melt down a lot faster. So this is what the slime looks like over the course of a week. After 1 day, 2, 3, 4, 6, and after 7 days, this is how the slime looked after it was completely cleared up. Clear slime is really pretty, but there are a few things that you should know about it. Number 1, clear slime is much tackier than white glue slimes. It melts down a lot faster, so it'll take more upkeep. And when I say upkeep, I really just mean you have to activate it way more often to keep it from going sticky. It's just the nature of clear glue, it's a lot tackier. Then number 2, sadly, clear slime does not stay clear. Since slime is made from glue and it's a sticky texture, it picks up oils and skin cells from your hands. No matter if you wash them or not, even after you let your clear slimes clear up again, they won't be as clear as they were before, but that's okay. The best way to keep your slime as clear as possible is to wash your hands before and after playing with it. Make sure that any surfaces you play with it on are clean and wiped down, and your hands are moisturized before playing with it so no dry skin gets stuck on the slime. And lastly, the third thing that you need to know is that scenting your slimes will also change its clarity. Any oils, whether it's from your hands, lotion, skin cells, fragrance oils, anything will make it go cloudy. It's very difficult to get a crystal clear slime that is scented. I think there are a few recipes out there to do it, but honestly, most people just keep their clear slimes clear to have the best clarity. How many times did I say clear? Clear slime is not the most cooperative slime texture. It might not be one of my personal favorites, but it is really pretty and it can be a lot of fun to make. I hope this Clear Slime 101 was helpful. Let me know down in the comments what slime texture you'd like me to make next. And until next time, bye! I normally put bloopers at the end of my video, but I didn't record any because I didn't mess up. Lele! Yes. Come say hi. I love you so much, Lele.